Simplilearn. Your pace, your place.
Financial Risk Manager, FRM. Part 1 of the FRM exam covers the fundamental tools and techniques used in risk management and the theories that underlie their use. One-factor measures of price sensitivity. Agenda. The main agenda of our discussion will be to analyze the various measures for fixed income price sensitivity. We will begin by the concept of interest rate factors and how the change in interest rate affects the price. Two main measures of sensitivity, DV01 and duration, will be discussed. DV01, or the dollar value of the basis point, gives the absolute change in dollar terms, while duration gives the change in relative terms. We will use DV01 in hedging, using fixed income instruments. We will also discuss the concept of convexity, or the non-linear price yield curve. Finally, we will learn how the curve exhibits negative convexity for callable bonds. Measures of fixed income price sensitivity. Let us begin our discussion with the usefulness of the measures of fixed income price sensitivity. It helps to study the response of the hedging instrument and the underlying on the change in the interest rate. It also helps to determine the optimum investment in case the expected changes in the interest rate do occur. This measure can be useful in determining the portfolio level of volatility and also in helping firms to match the interest rate sensitivity of assets and liabilities. Interest rate factors are random variables that affect the interest rates along the yield curve. In a one-factor approach, the change in one interest rate, such as a change in the 10-year rate, will affect all the rates in the yield curve. This is also known as the parallel change in the interest rate curve. DV01, dollar value of a basis point. Let us now learn about some of the sensitivity measures. DV01, or the dollar value of a basis point. It is the absolute change in the price due to 1 basis point change in the yield. Mathematically, it is the difference in the price of the bond at the yield to maturity, separated by 1 basis point. As we know that the price decreases with an interest in yield, we use a negative sign in the expression. This is an absolute measure